should not be a thing that's happening anymore.
Yeah, yo, honestly, life is like life on planet Earth is so precious. Like there are so many competing viruses and microbiology and animal kingdoms and prey and predators, and it's so much. Like, guys, man, it's a micro war going on. It's a microbiological war going on. You know what I'm saying?
Is it a war going? How so?
Well, I mean, you got to boost your immune system, right? It's literally like, and that's what the vaccine is doing. What the vaccine is doing is training your immune system, like to fight it when it sees it. Oh, okay, I know it. Okay, all right, we good. We can fight them. You know what I'm saying? Like that's what the purpose is for. And also the reasons why, because I'm gonna tee this up for you. So you're the socialist. The reason why we don't have vaccines for other things is because the capitalists just want to make money off of it. You know what I'm saying? Like they could vaccinate against, I don't know, maybe not a common cold.
You tee it up real nice.
Yeah.
It's more profitable to go with ongoing care than preemptive care.
That's right.
They want you to keep on paying for the cure rather than the ounce of prevention.
That's right, brother.
I agree. So, me personally,
I'm sorry. It's just what's crazy is you'll get sick and go to the hospital and take whatever they give you anyway. And so it's all the same. You're just taking it before you get it. Like, that's all it is. You're going to get sick. You're going to take the shit and you're not going to ask what the fuck they're giving you anyway. If you got shot, you're not going to say, oh, I don't know what that is when you're going to put into my arm or when you go through surgery. You're not going to ask none of those questions. And if any of you are fathers, you've already had to vaccinate your children. And if any of you are alive human beings, your parents have already vaccinated you.
When it comes to, I don't know, I don't want to drag this. Maybe I'll drag it.
Yeah, make your last point.
Honestly, I didn't want to call him. Last point, big point. I don't think that this war of keeping the animal kingdom and everything healthy and the world healthy, I don't think it's an individual problem. You're not going to recycle. You, Ali, and me, Ben, we are not going to recycle our way into making our air more breathable. You understand? Okay, we need systemic government. Either government or even more deep things. There are problems with modern day industrialization has caused. For example, and what I'm trying to say is I'm trying to give a little bit of leeway to those that are skeptical of the science and good living that we're experiencing. And one thing that I'm skeptical about is the dropping sperm rate.
Yes,
all the.
That's right. And the lower testosterone too. So the dropping of sperm and the losing of testosterone, serious issues.
Yeah. Yes, I agree. It's a very serious issue. It genuinely, truly is a very serious issue, along with the rising of male virginity. That's also another real scary issue. And from what I understand about the sperm rate, it's a big social problem that's going to be government solved because from what I understand, and no one really knows the answer. Let's say that off rip. No one really knows why testosterone is dropping. No one really knows why sperm counts are dropping. 50% over the last, I believe, 40 years, which is horrifying. Because I hope they don't continue dropping it. I don't think they will. I think it'll be a logarithmic, exponential thing where it'll never actually hit below the necessary percentage to get women pregnant. But it is scary because what if I'm wrong? Moving back to why I think it is, from what I understand, there's this shedding of these chemicals off plastic that you can't get food without them being fucking covered in plastic.
Yeah.